Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Low Cut 18 from 32. This skate-inspired snow boot features that durable synthetic and textile upper. It's gonna give you medium flex as well as some breathability. But you know you're not gonna go cold with the Team Fit liner system construction. It's got the dual density Intuition foam for medium support and energy bounce back comfort. It's also got the customized heel hold unit. Check this out, guys. It's gonna give you that custom fit, so you've got that really locked down feel on your board. We've also got the heat molding interior with the 3D molded tongue for an even flex on your board. It's got the team internal harness as well. Check it out. Lock it down, really get that perfect fit. It's got medium support, high flexibility, and heel cushioning. It's also got the team footbed down below with the maximum underfoot support. And on the bottom, we've got the durable performance rubber outsole for enhanced grip. So you'll be ready to hit the slopes in style with these bad boys from 32.